Making shadow shapes. For this project, you're going to need some things from your house, maybe some toys or cookie cutters. You're going to need a pencil. You're going to need a paper. You want to look for things that might make a great shadow. Later, you'll also need either crayons or markers. You're going to take your paper outside and set it down on the ground or the sidewalk. Then you're going to put your things on top of it until they make a really great shadow, and you can move things around however you want. Then you're going to take your pencil and you're going to trace right on the outline of the shadow. Sometimes you might have to move things out of the way. Like I had to move my little golf tee out of the way because I couldn't get my hands to get around it so I could get to the shadow of my little turtle that's coming out of its egg. Next, you're going to take your paper back inside and you're going to trace the outline. I chose to use a black marker, but you can choose a different color marker or a crayon, however you want. Trace them first and then go back and color them however you want. Be really creative, or maybe you're going to make stripes or polka dots, or maybe you're going to make different designs inside of them or make pictures inside of them. Just be creative and see what you can come up with. When you're all finished, don't forget to sign your beautiful artwork. Now go make your own shadow shape.